Hey guys, it's Jamie. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY rainbow highlighter. This has been something that's been really popular lately, and I know a few people have done DIYs for them, but I just thought I would do it as well because I was planning on making one for myself, so I figured I would record it, and if you haven't seen any DIYs on it, then maybe this one would help you out. So a few things you'll need: paper towels, you'll need some eyeshadows or blushes, something to make the actual rainbow colors. I'm using a bunch from the e.l.f. palette I have, some water, some bowls to mix up the colors, something to get the color out of the pan. I'm going to use butter knife, and then you'll need a tray to put it in, so I'm just using this Maybelline bronzer compartment that has an empty tray, so that's what I'm going to use. So to start, take a bowl and your first color. So I'm going to take one of my pinks. I'm going to take this hot pink here. And just like scoop it into the bowl. And then once you have your color in the bowl, you can kind of see it there, take some water and just add like a tiny bit, just enough to make it into like a paste. And give it a stir. Try to mash out as many clumps as you can. Okay, so once you've mixed it up and it's turned into like a paste, then take your empty tin container thing and put the color in. Okay, so you want to put it in kind of like in a straight-ish line, just so you can make kind of all the colors. And you can make the sections as big as you want. I'm going to make mine fairly thin because I want to put a couple different colors in there. So once you get it like that, don't worry if it's not perfect. We're going to go in and touch it up later once we press it down. Yeah, so then just get on to your next color. Okay, so I've got all my colors in the tray, and as you can tell, they're very, very lumpy. They're not super consistent with the amount that's in there, so I'm gonna go back and add to make them all a bit more even, because we're gonna have to press it down yet, and I want them to be a little bit more fuller than what they are. Some of the colors are actually, like, you can still see pan. So I'm gonna go in and fill them up, and then I'll come back after. Okay, so now the colors are all quite a bit more full. So I did a hot pink, a purple, a bright blue, mixed with a bit of a lighter, more silvery blue, green, gold, and a champagne color. So now we're gonna go ahead and press them down. So what I'm gonna do is take a kind of damp paper towel and just place it over top and just give it a firm press. This is also gonna help to get rid of any of the water that's still in the colors. You can see it's soaking through the water that was still in the colors. And then go like this. So now they're a little bit more flat, not like great, but yeah. So now we have our palette of rainbow highlighters. So because there's still quite a bit of moisture in there, I'm gonna leave it to sit for the evening, and once it is dry, I will do a swatch.